Welcome back tuning into today's video. Happy Christmas Eve. We're going to be doing the weekend forecast today. We're going to have a look at the whole of Christmas period going through up to New Year's Day. It looks like it's going to be staying very unsettled. The unsettled weather that we've had over the last week or two will be persisting through the final week of December and going up to the new year as well. So lots more heavy rain to come, and there will be some gale force winds, particularly focused on Friday, but generally the wet and windy spell continues. Now, before I get on that, just want to mention the advertising. Gav's Shop is closed, so thanks so much for all of your support with Gav's Shop over the last few weeks. We have been quite amazing the way you've been doing your Christmas shopping through the Amazon banners in Gav's Shop and helping to support Gav's Webbiz. I say thanks so much for doing that. Gav's Shop is now closed, but I'm sure it'll be returning for next Christmas. Also, I want to mention the video ads. If you play on the video ads, you'll be supporting GavsWebbiz.com, and they'll be remaining throughout the coming period throughout the next few months. So if you want to hit play on video ad, yeah, that's how you support GavsWebbiz.com from now on. The websites that we're using for the weekend forecast are coming from the UK Met Office, westcent.de and weatherapp.com. The link to all three of those websites are on my links page. In the current radar picture, we've got heavy rain down across the sparse southeast of the country, just clearing East Anglia and southeastern England. Lots of heavy showers following to the northwest. Some of these are wintry, and not just on the high ground actually over Scotland. There will be some wintry showers coming down to lower levels across parts of Scotland and northern England through the course of the day. Very windy today across the north. Look at this, 930 millibar area of low pressure to the north of Scotland, been advertised quite well over the last few days. Really tightly packed ice bars there for much of Scotland, so very, very windy, with at least gusts up to 60 or 70 miles an hour today across large parts of Scotland and also the far north Northern Ireland, possibly getting up to 80 miles an hour or more in some exposed western and southwestern places. That will be disruptive. That'll be driving in lots of heavy showers, longer spells of rain, sleet, snow. Snow will be piling up on the hills. There'll be blizzard conditions over the hills and mountains of Scotland, but don't be surprised to see some snow coming down to lower levels at times. Now, comparatively, things are a lot calmer further south. Still a breezy day for England and Wales, but I think we're going to see the showers more restricted to the west, not so many getting through to the east once that rain has cleared the far southeast. And to be honest, it won't be too bad at Christmas Eve across much of England and Wales if you can dodge those showers. Temperatures today, about average in the south, around 6, 7, 8 degrees. In the north, we're going to be colder than average, with temperatures around 2, 3 or 4, and it will feel very cold in that severe gale force westerly wind. Overnight, I think Father Christmas is going to get a buffet in across Scotland because the winds will go on into the evening and into the first part of the night anyway. Later in the night, winds will start to ease down, but certainly for the first part of Christmas Eve evening, it's going to remain very windy with more gales across Scotland. And we'll see snow showers continuing to push into many parts of central, northern and western Scotland. Rain around the western coast of Scotland, but won't have to go far inland, I don't think, find those showers turning wintry. May bring some showers across southern parts of England and Wales through the course of this evening and overnight. I think they'll generally be of rain, actually. I don't think we get too much wintriness down in the south. Temperatures tonight could get quite chilly across England and Wales, possibly going over a touch of ground frost down to 2 or 3 degrees. But in the north, temperatures should hold up at around that sort of level as well, 2 or 3 degrees. The mass got the wind churning away, but it's colder air mass in the north. That's why the showers are wintry in the north and probably not wintry further south. So this is the chart for Christmas Day, and it's an improving picture. The low pressure is clearing away to the north of Scotland. I think basically we're looking at sunshine and showers in the north and west of the country. Many other places largely dry. There will be those showers coming across southern parts through the start of Christmas morning, but once those have cleared away, and they will go by the middle of the morning, I think basically southern eastern areas will be largely dry, but in the north and west we'll keep those showers going. Again, they could be wintry across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, mainly over higher ground, but possibly some wintriness coming down to lower levels. But the main thing for the north is that those winds will be easing off through the course of Christmas Day. Be quite a cold day in the north with temperatures around 2, 3 or 4 degrees, but in the south it should actually be near normal, so chilly but not too cold to be honest, with temperatures around 6, 7 or 8 degrees. Not too bad at all in the afternoon for walking off your Christmas dinner. As we move through to Boxing Day, we hang on to the fine weather for one more day, but the next low pressure is waiting in the Atlantic. So we're going to find a cold start, and maybe touch of ground frost in places as well, with temperatures very close to freezing first thing on Boxing Day morning, but to compensate, it should be a good deal of sunshine. And to be honest, we'll keep a lot of sunshine going throughout the day. It really does look like quite a nice day on Boxing Day, but by the end of the afternoon it'll be clouding over for Ireland and the far southwest of England, with some outbreaks of rain starting to set in on a freshening wind. Temperatures on the chilly side again, between around 3 and say 7 degrees, and then it turns very unsettled again as we go into Friday. Another storm system will be sweeping across the country overnight, Thursday into Friday. I think that'll generally move away to the north and the east through the course of the day, with sunshine and blustery showers tending to follow from the west. Showers will turn increasingly windy for a while across southeastern parts of England, that's 50 Fahrenheit, but in the north the temperatures will start to drop again later on as that cooler air begins to dig back in. So for Saturday we're back into a showery air mass. Sunshine and showers basically sums it up. So the showers could be wintry up in the north and the west of the country, but probably not bringing too many showers down into the south and the southeast. Temperatures probably somewhere around say 3 to 8 degrees, a little bit on the cool side. Very weak ridge here on Sunday, so mainly dry conditions I think for Sunday. Still the risk of some showers around northern and western coast, could be wintry for Scotland, but basically it's a better day on Sunday. Could be cold to begin with though, maybe some frost, particularly in the north. Temperatures eventually getting up to around 6 to 7 degrees. Low pressure is waiting in the wings though, and look what happens as we go through into Monday. Yep, the next low pressure is sweeping through. So we find another bout of wind and rain sweep across the country. Maybe not gale or severe gale force winds with this one, but it's going to be windy and it's going to be wet. Lots of heavy rain. Temperatures again pick up a little bit though for Monday, getting up to around 9 or 10 degrees once again, although as soon as the rain clears we'll bring the cooler air back in around the low pressure and showers may start to turn wintry once again for Scotland. You're seeing the pattern emerging here, temperatures up and down with these areas of low pressure. As we move through to New Year's Eve, we're going to find low pressure more or less sitting over the country, so it's a case of showers along with spells of rain. The persistent rain from Monday would have cleared away, but it's a very showery sort of day for New Year's Eve, and turning quite chilly as well, with winds turning into the north or the northwest. So the showers again for Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of Northern England could turn wintry. More likely to be rain showers further south. Temperatures though around average in the south, 6, 7, 8 degrees, colder than average in the north, around 2, 3 or 4. And as we get through to New Year's Day, the first day of 2014, the low pressure is starting to move away to the northeast. A bit of a ridge is trying to extend in off the Atlantic. So if anything, New Year's Day could be a decent day. Largely dry with some sunny spells, although it will be chilly with temperatures around say 2 to 7 degrees, and maybe a frost early and late as well. So finally, when the page clicks over, and there we go, we're going to have a look at the charts from the weatheroutlook.com. This chart for Christmas Eve. Snow showers, wintry showers up in the north with those severe gale force winds. Rain clearing away from the south and the southeast through the course of the morning. And it's not too bad really for England and Wales, with most of the action up in the north. As we move through to Christmas Day, it's a pretty decent day to be honest for much of England and Wales. There'll still be showers in the north and the northwest, but a lot of places will be dry. The main thing for Scotland is that those horrendous winds will be starting to ease down. Nice day for Boxing Day, mainly dry with sunny spells, but it's calm before the storm, because as we move through into Friday, we're going to find the next area of low pressure bringing lots of heavy rain across the country, strong winds as well. Temperatures do lift up for a time on Friday, feels very much briefly in the south and southeast, but cooler air will start to dig back in. And as we move through to Saturday, it's sunshine and showers on a cooler airstream, mainly dry for Sunday. You've guessed what happens on Monday. Yep, the next bout of rain sweeps in across the country, which that's as far as we can go with these charts, but for New Year, that is followed by showers again for New Year's Eve, mainly dry conditions for New Year's Day, and most temperatures dipping back towards near normal. So it's a very unsettled Christmas week coming up. Lots of heavy rain, strong winds as well. Christmas Day and Boxing Day, the best of it really. After that, it'll turn more unsettled once again. Well, that's it for now. All that remains for me to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.